Have you ever had a dealer give you 3 days to decide if the RV you purchased was the right one for you? Has a dealer ever offered you a free loaner RV while yours was being repaired? How about free delivery anywhere in Ohio? Finally, have you ever been given expedited service for repairs? RV Wholesalers in Lakeview, Ohio does all of that and more. We call it our Ohio Buckeye Service Guarantee. Every customer gets 3 days after purchasing their RV to decide if it's the right one for them. If it isn't, bring it back and trade it in for another unit we have in stock. If your RV is in service and you have an upcoming trip, we'll give you a free loaner RV so you can still go on that trip. We also have free delivery anywhere in Ohio. Finally, as mentioned earlier, we offer all our Ohio customers expedited service whenever you need a repair. Simply give us a call and we'll get you in ASAP. Oh yeah, one more thing. We have the best pricing in Ohio. And why do we do all these things and more? Because it's the right thing to do. And it's what we'd want done to us if we were the customer. We treat our Ohio customers like family because you are our family. Why don't other RV dealers do what RV Wholesalers does every day for every Ohio customer? Good question. They've had years to match our service. You know how many you have? None. When it's time to buy an RV, we think you'll agree, for the best service and price, your only choice is really RV Wholesalers. Give us a call at 877-877-4494 or visit us online at rvwholesalers.com or come visit us at 530 North Main Street, Lakeview, Ohio, 43331. Thanks so much.